How to delete a shortcut on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete a shortcut on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to delete a shortcut in Snapchat, it's actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application here. Once you launch the Snapchat app, whenever you take a snap and then you want to send it to everyone, you usually create a shortcut. And here you can see I have got two shortcuts over here, and what if I want to delete one of those? So to delete either of these two shortcuts, which is these two emojis here, what I can do is instead I can just tap the plus icon here, select a shortcut I want to delete, then tap the three dots option, then just tap the delete shortcut option from the bottom, tap the delete option, and that shortcut will get successfully deleted. This way you can delete a shortcut on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.